Murareba uriya mama Bariya namubonye asa nk'umuntu ufite ibibazo ariko ndashaka kumwegera. Impamvu nkora iyi video cyane izi video zigaragaza ukuntu ushobora gukora akantu gatoya gusa ukaba ufashije umuntu, nimba ari umunsi umwe, nimba ari ijoro rimwe, nimba ari amanywa, ushobora gukora. Nkunda kubwira abantu cyane tujye tureba ibyo Yesu yatubwiye. Fata Biblia usome kuri Matayo 25 guhera kuri 30 kumanura kuri 40. Aho ngaho nago bakunda kutwigisha cyane. Byavuzwe nande? Byavuzwe na Yesu. Nago ari na apotre, nago ari na n'umushumba, byavuzwe na Yesu. Reka mbanze kwanza mwegere mubaze, biraba mu Cyongereza ariko muribuze kugenekeza mumve neza kuko yahise amagambo akomeye kandi ari ngiye wari wagiye kumufasha. Reka tukurikire. Any restaurant around here?
Excuse me?
Is there any restaurant like around here?
Restaurant?
Yeah.
Yes. There is you go down to this road right here. You can take a right. You know where Sefco is?
Yes.
Okay, it's right catty corner to Sefco. It's like across the street.
Which food is your favorite?
Well, I like Italian food, but there's not really any place.
Are you originally from Italy?
No.
I have my coworkers from Italy.
Oh, yeah?
So,
yeah.
And where do you go for restaurant mostly? I want to buy you food. Here is the money.
Thank you.
That money is for you.
Thank you. I'll go get tacos.
That's a lot of tacos.
Well,
That's
yeah.
gonna get you a lot.
That's breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yeah. What's your name?
Krista.
Cristo?
Krista.
That's a good name.
Thank you.
I like that.
My mom, my grandma came up with it. My mom came up with my middle name, Marie. So,
where are you originally from?
Akomoka mu duce twa Oklahoma ni intara cyangwa ni leta iba mu majyaruguru y'uburengerazuba bwa Texas. Ariko yagiye ambwira amagambo akomeye cyane twese dukeneye mu buzima bwacu, cyane amagambo yo kutiheba. Dore ko yahuye n'ibibazo bikomeye mu buzima, ari abantu bitwa nk'aba gangs cyangwa abantu b'abambuzi baraje baramukubita baturutse inyuma, bamwaka ibyangombwa, batwara isakoshi yerimo n'ibyangombwa, baranamukomeretsa yabivuze, kandi bamutwara social security na identity. Ibyo bintu bibiri bikomeye cyane ahangaha. None akaburo ko abigenze, iyo yagiye gusaba social security bamubaza identity nayo afite, iyo yagiye gusaba identity bamubwira ngo azane icyemezo cy'amavuko, kandi icyemezo cy'amavuko naho biragoye kuvuga uwo ari we. Rero kabaraho ngaho ari mu bibazo bikomeye cyane, ngo baramukubise ku buryo nangaha munsi y'akanwano ngo byayisagiraho ibibazo byinshi cyane. Ariko nyuma yaje kuvuga amagambo akomeye cyane yo kutiheba mu buzima bwacu. Kutiheba.
Yes. It's all about what you do.
Right. I'm pretty sure you can. And I like your cross, the cross you have.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, my boyfriend was wearing it, so.
Oh, that cross?
Yeah, so it's it was his necklace.
Oh, I see.
And
the cross is very meaningful.
It is. It really is.
Yeah.
So it is.
It's a sign of patience, of redemption. It's a good sign of love.
Yes.
Love.
Yes.
It's good you mentioned that.
Sacrifice.
Yes.
Willing
love,
to put yourself aside for the greater good. So,
yes. Yeah. Question I want to ask you: what is something that you can advise people who are struggling to have to live with hope? What can you say?
Don't give up. Don't give up. No matter what, no matter how hard it looks, no matter how many people are laughing at you, no matter how impossible you think it would be to live out your dream, that it's not impossible as long as you don't make it impossible. So everything for us is an open invitation to go, succeed, and do as your heart desires. So don't give up, and find someone that you appreciate, that appreciates you. I mean, they don't have to love you, but someone that appreciates you so that you can remember that there are good parts to yourself even when you feel like a failure. So that person can remind you that it is absolutely paramount that you get up and you keep going, because you are not a failure. You will always be a success as long as you keep getting up. It doesn't matter how many times you get knocked down. It matters how many times you get up. So just keep breathing, keep going. Sometimes 1 second at a time.
Can I give you a hug?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for those strong words. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
That's so powerful.
Thank you.
You just touched my heart.
Yeah, because I've never given, I've never told anybody that, just not to give up, but just the one thing that I keep in my head a lot of times, even when it looks like I have no friends and I have no, I don't have any family here except for my ex-mother-in-law, and I haven't had my parents since 2004, and so it can be very lonely. It can be very lonely, especially if you feel like you don't have any friends. And as long as because there's not anything that somebody else hasn't been through. And I think we all go through the same things. We just go through them at different times in our lives.
To a different time.
So all you've got to do is realize you're not by yourself. You're not alone. You don't have to be lonely. And realize that this next person that you're going to try to talk to, pick the strangest person in the world to you. The one that's in the room that you just don't think you could get along with at all. And go talk to that person and tell them what is troubling you. Tell them what's going on. Tell them that you feel lonely. And surprisingly, a lot of times the opposites attract, even in a friendship. And you can fall in love with a friend who was never even considered to be someone you could get along with. And you will find that, just by opening your mouth, that person has either been through it, or they're going to go through it, or they have some sound advice that you needed to hear at that point in time. So just open your mouth and don't feel like you're shut out, because if you do, it's because you're shutting yourself out. So
I salute your words.
Thank you.
You are so powerful and thinking. You're just amazing. You just blow my mind with all those encouraging words, and I appreciate you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Just remember, Jesus loves you.
Thank you. You too. God bless.
God bless you.
It's always great to meet another believer.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Abavandimwe ntago bijya bisaba kubura umwanya cyangwa kugira ubutunzi burenze kugira ngo tubashe gukorera umwami wacu Yesu Kristo, kuko abantu batishoboye tubacaho buri munsi, kandi ntibidusaba kugira amafaranga menshi. Abantu mushobora kubona umuntu akora gutyo mukagira ngo numukire, oya, ntibisaba kugira amafaranga menshi, ahubwo bisaba kugira umutima w'urukundo, tugira ubumuntu. Umwami wacu Yesu Kristo yadukanguriye kugira ubumuntu, kugira urukundo. Tugira ubumuntu, tugira urukundo, dukundane. Nta n'igishoro kirimo, ahubwo tuba turimo kwibikira ubutunzi aheza. Ndabakangurira twese tubishoboye, musome kuri Matayo 25 kubera ku 30 kumanura, ariko unabishoboye usome kuri Imigani 19:17 naho mu kiganiro cy'ubutaha.